Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you've got a trip coming up, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into some genius airport life hacks that will completely change the way you travel. Trust me, these tips will save you time, money, and a whole lot of stress. Let's get right into it. First up, let's talk about getting through security like a pro. Before you even leave home, wear slip-on shoes. Fumbling with laces is a rookie mistake. Also, pack all your electronics and liquids in the most accessible part of your carry-on. That way, you can whip them out for the scanner in seconds without having to unpack your entire bag for everyone to see. Next, never pay for water at the airport again. Those $5 bottles are a total ripoff. Instead, bring an empty, reusable water bottle with you. Once you're past security, you can fill it up for free at any water fountain. It's good for your wallet and the planet. Another little trick: always pack a portable charger or a power bank. Relying on airport outlets is like playing the lottery. You might get lucky, but you probably won't. Having your own power source is a total game changer. Here's a tip you might not have heard. Screenshot your boarding pass. Airport Wi-Fi can be unreliable, and apps can crash at the worst possible moment. Having a picture of your boarding pass and your flight details in your phone as gallery is a simple but effective backup plan. It saved me from a panic more than once. And for my final tip, if you have a long layover, look up what amenities your airport offers beforehand. Some airports have incredible free features like art exhibits, gardens, or even movie theaters. Don't just sit at the gate staring at your phone. Go explore. It can turn a boring wait into a mini adventure. So there you have it. A few simple hacks to make your next airport experience smooth and hassle-free. What are your favorite travel hacks? Let me know down in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and tricks. Safe travels. And I'll see you in the next one.